Okay, we're going to record section 3.2 over synthetic division. Before we do the synthetic division part, we have to touch on something called polynomial long division. And this is what we use when synthetic division doesn't work. So here's what that looks like. Suppose we want to do x to the fourth minus 3x cubed plus 7x minus 2, and we want to divide it by x squared minus 2x plus 1. So the denominator here, to do synthetic division, the denominator, which is this part I'm circling right here, that has to be of the form x plus a number or x minus a number in order for you to do synthetic division. So since this has an x squared in it and a negative 2 times the x, we wouldn't be able to do this one by synthetic division, which is why we're covering polynomial long division. So to do this, we write the dividend in there, which is x to the fourth minus 3x cubed plus, we're missing x squared, so I'm going to put plus 0x squared plus 7x minus 2. And out here we put the divisor x squared minus 2x plus 1. To start this process, we're going to take the x to the fourth. We're going to divide it by x squared. That'll equal x squared. And then we're going to put the x squared above the x squared position. So what you do is you take x squared, you multiply x squared by it. X squared times x squared is x to the fourth. X squared times negative 2x is minus 2x cubed. X squared times 1 is plus x squared. We go through, we switch the signs on all these terms, so that becomes negative, this becomes positive, this becomes negative, and we add the terms up. X to the fourth and negative x to the fourth cancel. Negative 3x cubed plus 2x cubed gives us a negative x cubed. Plus no x squareds minus an x squared gives us a negative x squared. And we get a plus 7x. So negative x cubed is our new leading term. We're going to divide it by x squared. Negative x cubed divided by x squared gives us negative x. So I'm going to put the negative x over x's position. Negative x times x squared is negative x cubed. Negative x times negative 2x is positive 2x squared. Negative x times 1 is negative x. We go through, we flip the signs. Negative becomes a positive. Positive flips to negative. Negative becomes a positive. And we add stuff up. So negative x cubed and positive x cubed cancel. Negative x squared minus 2x squareds is negative 3x squareds. 7x plus another x plus 8x. Bring down the negative 2. So this will be our final pass. We have negative 3x squared for the new leading term here. Divide it by the x squared, the leading term out of your divisor. These cancel, give me negative 3. So I put negative 3 up there. This will be our final pass. Negative 3 times x squared is negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times negative 2x is positive 6x. Negative 3 times 1 will be negative 3. We switch the signs. This becomes positive. That becomes negative. This becomes positive. We add them up. The x squareds cancel. 8x minus 6x is 2x. And negative 2 plus 3 is plus 1. So when we go to write our answer, this is dividend over divisor. Our answer will be the quotient, which is x squared minus x minus 3. So quotient, which is what we generated up here. It'll be plus remainder over divisor, which the divisor was the x squared minus 2x plus 1. And that is polynomial long division. So we're going to get two forms. This is the division algorithm that we wrote our answer out in. The division algorithm is dividend over divisor, which is what we had in the original statement, equals quotient plus remainder over divisor. And so this is the form we wrote our answer in right above us. Quotient plus remainder over divisor. There's a second form of the division algorithm that we're going to use in the next section, which is dividend equals divisor times quotient plus remainder. And we'll use the second form when we want to use synthetic division to factor. Okay, so now that we kind of showed an example with polynomial long division of how do you handle it whenever you can't use synthetic division, we'll do a couple examples of showing you how synthetic division works. So this time for this example, they give us 5x cubed minus 6x squared minus 28x minus 2, and they want us to divide by x plus 2. So in this case, the divisor, this right here, this x plus 2, this is of form x plus a number or x minus a number, so synthetic division is okay to use. So how do we do synthetic division? What we do is we draw a division symbol like this. We're going to put the numbers of the dividend in the top, and we're going to use zeros as any missing powers of x. So 5 is x cubed, x cubed's number. Negative 6 is x squared's number. Negative 28 is x's number, so we haven't skipped any powers of x. Negative 2 is the constant term. Since we have x plus 2 here, we switch the sign on the number positive 2. We'll write a negative 2 out to the side, and then we can perform synthetic division. So to do synthetic division, we bring the 5. 5 is brought straight down. And hang on, we'll get to the rest of this in just a second. So 5 is brought straight down. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. So negative 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. We add these up. Negative 6 plus negative 10 is negative 16. Negative 2 times negative 16 is positive 32. Negative 28 plus 32 is 4. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Then we add up finally, negative 2 plus negative 8 is negative 10. So this is the remainder out here. And to get the quotient, this is no x's number. This is x to the first power's number. This is x squared's number. If we had another number, it would be x cubed's number. X to the fourth's number will be after that, and you just count up by powers of x till you reach the end of your division. So our answer is the quotient plus the remainder over the divisor. Since the divisor was x plus 2, or you could say if we had a negative 2 there, the divisor was x plus 2. And this is how we do synthetic division. So we'll make this part 1 of the video, and we'll get the rest of it in the second part.